You'll sometimes find batteries inside the cases, but it's not a good idea to use them. Always have 9-volt batteries on hand that you can pop out and put in right here. And there's little plus minus inside. The way you make these work is they're both labeled, so 2 goes with 2. They also have these little shock tabs right here, so we'll know if anything has happened to them. You press the 2 red on buttons. After it comes on, you'll see a number. The number is the frequency at which these two are communicating. You have to make sure that they're the same number. You can also, and then you can change that using the set buttons, though hopefully you won't have to set, and then up and down buttons. Hopefully you won't have to. Sometimes you want to change the frequency if you're getting interference from other devices such as cordless phones, occasionally mobile phones, sometimes even microwaves. It's kind of odd. And the way you can do that is you press the set button. While the numbers are blinking, you press up or down to get it to the different numbers until you stop hearing any interference. Now the transmitter also has a mute button, so if you're not getting any audio, you might want to test that. On the front here, you'll also find 2 lights of the transmitter, so this is the microphone bit. One of them says on/low battery. If the battery is low, it'll blink, sometimes slowly, sometimes quickly. And AF peak. AF peak basically means that you're putting in sound that is, it's kind of like blowing out in video. And what will end up happening is that sound is going to break up and go into noise, basically. So a quick way to test that the microphone is working is blow into the microphone while you're holding it, and notice that the AF peak light goes on. On the transmitter, you also have on the receiver, you also have a volume knob that you can turn to turn up the volume or turn it down, depending on how you want to do this. Similar thing here, RF light, which basically means that it's receiving, and then an on and low battery. Again, same thing, blinking means battery is dying.